Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have an exciting announcement for you today. We're starting a brand new learning journey, C Programming in 7 Days Revision and Practice Series. This series is designed for students who are preparing for exams, placement training, or anyone who wants to revise C programming in a structured and easy way. For 7 days, we will study C programming step by step. Each video will be 30 minutes long, and every session includes quick concept explanations, solved important practice questions, and homework assignments for you to try on your own. Yes, this is a complete practice-based revision series. No unnecessary theory, only the most important concepts and coding exercises. By the end of these 7 days, you will feel confident with C and be fully ready to solve exam and practice questions on your own. So if you're serious about mastering C programming, this is the perfect challenge for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment saying ready if you're joining this series. The first video is coming very soon. Get your notebook ready, and let's build strong C programming skills together. See you in day 1. Take care and happy coding!